so I have to go into the city again. I have this new bi-weekly job for a clothing company. I don't know where I'm going. Maybe this is the right way. I found a nice new path. I was just on the water. Now I don't know where I'm going, but it's a really nice day. It's going to be 33 degrees here. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. Okay, so I got here nice and early. It was really hard to find parking. I didn't know I could come down here though, but I guess I could squeeze in there if I had to. There's a train. I didn't know that you could get a train down here. Who needs a train when you have a bicycle? Oh, there's the CN Tower. My father was a railway man. He worked for CN. Maybe one day I'll feel comfortable taking you inside to work with me, but until that day, you can't see what I do. It's a little noisy and windy down on the waterfront. Some ducks. I found a chicken at the grocery store. That part's cool, but while I was in there, someone broke my bicycle. I used to carry water in a basket just like this. I stopped doing it because it broke like this. I hope you can see that. So I haven't been putting heavy stuff. I've been being very careful with this one. And while I was in there, somebody totally put some weight on it, or they put something really heavy in it. And it's over $40. I'm gonna have to get something different. I gotta put the toys on there. It's my livelihood. It's my life. It's a sad day. I'm gonna eat my chicken now though, okay? It's kind of pretty around here, kind of noisy. There's an airport right there. But there's weeping willows, and there's boats, and there's lots of people. There's my bicycle. It's okay. It's all right. I can appreciate this. It's good times. Listen, you can hear the boats in the wind. Cool. I love old castle-like buildings. I explored that once. I'll have to revisit that again. I really like it. I am supposed to live in a castle, and I'm supposed to have a princess. I'm just waiting for her to rescue me from this life. I had no idea where I lived was so beautiful. Yeah, this is crazy. Okay, so I just got home. My leftover chicken has been in the heat in my bag all day. I hope it's all right. I'm gonna eat it tonight. I have to go to the office and pick up some viewer mail. I'm gonna have some berries right now. I ran out of space on my iPad, so I'm uploading the videos and pictures I took today. What else? I'll probably stop by Toys R Us because it's right next to my office. I don't remember the sun ever being on my back, but it looks like I did get some color. Not that you can tell or anything. Here's a cool little tip for you, no pun intended. Next time you want a cool treat in the summer, instead of like getting ice cream, get some berries. Some frozen berries, organic ones. Shake them into your mouth like potato chips. The sugar in berries, so they say, the glycemic levels are of a different nature and they're not as high. I think it's because it's probably closer to what fruit used to be before we artificially selected it and made these jumbo superfruits that we know today as standards. But berries are awesome. Delicious berry. I picked up a parcel. I feel so guilty at how much it costs to send parcels to Canada. I feel bad. You guys are really nice to send me things, but also don't do it. But you can send me drawings, you know, like Miranda Sings has. I'd love to have drawings. So if you want to send me, oh no, driving on the wrong side. Oh,